Walking tour. First Gashapon in Manila, Bandai's official capsule toy. Gachapon is Bandai's official capsule toy. These capsule toys can be found all across Japan and all across the world in specially designed vending machines. Prizes are varied and range from hundreds of characters, such as Dragon Ball, Sailor Moon, Sanrio, Pokemon, and more. This is our walking tour for you to see the many different vending machines, toys, and collector's items you can get. Gashapon toys are often licensed from popular characters in Japanese manga, video games, or anime, or from the American entertainment industry. These highly detailed toys have found a large following among all generations in Japan, and the trend is filtering to the world, especially among adult collectors. Which machine would you want to try your luck on? The terms Gashapon or Gachapon refer to a variety of vending machine-dispensed capsule toys popular in Japan and elsewhere. Gashapon is onomatopoeic, from the two Japanese sounds gasha or gacha for the hand-cranking action of a toy vending machine and pon for the toy capsule landing in the collection tray. At WhenInManila. Come have fun trying Gashapon at the official Bandai store in Mitsukoshi Mall, Uptown Bonifacio.
When you win, what happens? When you win? When you lose,